Twinkling of Stars. In the dark nights, the star seems to twinkle and at times seems to change its position as well. This is happening because of the atmospheric refraction. We can understand it easily as we know that the light ray reaches our eyes passing through the different layers in the atmosphere. We know that the different layers in the atmosphere will have the different air density because of the heat as well as the height from the ground. So we can say that the outermost layer of the atmosphere will be rarer compared to the next one. Because of that, the starlight will continuously suffer refraction and it will bend towards the normal. That's why the apparent position of the star will be seen little higher than its actual position. The other thing will happen because of the atmospheric layers is that you'll see the twinkling of the star. At times the star will seem brighter and at times it will look fainter. That will happen because of the density of the layer is not stationary in the atmosphere. It keeps on varying. It fluctuates because of the heat, wind and so many other factors. That will affect the amount of light reaching our eyes. So at times it will be brighter and at times it will be fainter. So we will see the two effects. One, the apparent position is higher than the actual position and then the light seems to be fluctuating. So that is twinkling of a star happening because of the atmospheric refraction. We see the stars twinkling, but you must have observed that the planets which we see in the dark nights don't seem to fluctuate. They don't twinkle. Why so? Because firstly, the planets are much closer to planet Earth compared to the stars. And secondly, they are much bigger in size. So even if there is some refraction of light happening, which is coming through the planets, but planet will be a bigger object compared to the star. A star is kind of a point source of light for us. A star is kind of accumulation of n number of such point light sources. When the planet's light reaches our eye, even after suffering through refraction from the atmosphere, the net effect of the refraction is zero. It gets nullified because of its size. So we don't see the planets twinkling.